This weekend I tried a new photo sharing feature in iOS 6 in our photo streams. We can share photos privately to a specific user or users. We can also share a specific photo stream in public. And I tried both. I did a specific photo stream album that I share with my family. I can choose which images I will share to that photo stream, and my family gets them directly, and they can also comment on them and like them and so on. And I also did a photo stream album called Panorama Photos that I shared in public. I will post a link to that photo stream below this video in the description text so you can watch it. There is only one photo in it at the moment, but I will still use it and post all my panorama photos in that stream so everyone can see them. But that public photo stream that I share, I can share a link to. I can share a link to that public photo stream that I created. And that link I can share on Twitter, Google Plus, and Facebook and whatever. And when a user visits that link, it opens in a web browser, and you see all the photos as a slideshow if you want. And if you click on the photo, it will be bigger. For example, a panorama photo will take up the whole screen, and you can go left and right, and you can start a automatic photo stream slideshow. Really cool. You can also download the photos there, and maybe that is not the greatest. If you have decided to share your photo stream in public, you need to accept that people can download your photos. That's a fact. I think that's the same with all photo sharing services. If you share in public, anyone can download them, so no difference there. So I think the new photo stream sharing feature in iOS 6 is really cool, and they also work in OS X Mountain Lion in iPhoto. So if you subscribe to some photo streams, they show up in iPhoto too. And you can drag and drop to your own photo stream that you have shared in iPhoto on Mac too, and they get shared. So if I have some photos on my Mac that I want to share, for example to a public photo stream, then I can choose them and upload them totally automatically, and they get shared. Really cool. I like that. And photo stream sharing is totally free. It doesn't take up anything from your iCloud storage space. Nothing. It's totally free. That is also cool. I know Google has instant upload, and it works the same, but it doesn't have these let's say social features built in. You need to share them on Google Plus to have the social features. So in a way, Apple has done their own social network with this photo stream sharing. Really cool. If they merge iMessage with this feature, then we could have a privately Apple user social network with iMessages and photos merged together in one social network. That would be really cool. Maybe that is something Apple are working on, who knows? Maybe they will not call it a social network because they don't see it like a social network, but with all these features together, we have actually a social network for Apple users. I think that's great. And I forgot to say that the only way to subscribe to a public photo stream that is shared is by adding the users on your iPhone to that specific album. Share that public album to that user so they can click on a link and say they will subscribe to it. And that is it's a lot of hassle doing that. So for example, if someone on Twitter or Google says that they want to subscribe to my panorama photos, then I have to have their email addresses and add them to that photo album. And that is kind of awkward. But they can always use the link only if they want. The link will be like a web page. So if they have the link, they can see all the photos. But if they want to be subscribed to it, so they get the photos automatically, then I have to add them to their email address to that photo album. Exactly as you do when you share a private photo stream to your family, for example. Then you add your family's email addresses. It's the same thing with a public shared photo stream. The only difference is that with a public photo stream you get an URL, a link that you can share. This weekend I also did some videos showing some iOS 6 apps, iPhone apps. It's the first way I do these kind of videos that way. I recorded them by using the apps myself and try to show you some features. I show you how to blog on an iPhone using Markdown and Byword. I also did a hands-on the drafts for iPhone, that app. Go through some features in drafts. And I also did one more hands-on, the iPhone 5, to show how beautiful it is. This is probably something I will do in the weekends, these kind of videos. I hope you will like them. Okay, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need that. Bye.